सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक सपोर्ट चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Our ways of listening to music have evolved through time. But in pursuit of the best audio, we've been limited at a listening sweet spot. What if we can expand the sweet spot? What if we can create a sweet zone where you can roam freely and still enjoy the best sound in every corner? Meet Upstage 360, the 360-degree high-res smart speaker that gives you the ultimate audio quality in an enveloping soundstage. Supported by audio industry leader Sound Matters, Upstage 360 is equipped with 8 drivers, and it integrates three-way audio into one simple setup. Covering an ultra-wide frequency range of 40 Hz to 40 kHz, it accurately reproduces all the audio details with high-resolution quality. With the patented ball cone acoustic reflection design, Upstage 360 distributes uniform sound waves that fills the room with the best sound. Hey Alexa, play my favorite song. It is also compatible with Echo Dot, Chromecast, and wireless streaming. Let music charge up your life and help you concentrate, relax, calm your spirit, and even sleep better. We believe music is an inseparable part of life. Upstage 360 merges all the best qualities in one and invites you to explore the next level audio enjoyment together.
Introducing InTech, the first portable smart projector that projects in full 4K resolution. And yeah, it's portable, like put it in your bag and take it on the road portable. We're not just talking a projector. InTech is a full-on portable entertainment system, included with a stackable attachable speaker, Bluetooth connectivity, Wi-Fi capability, and even built-in storage. That means you can play all your favorite shows and movies whenever and wherever you want, all in crystal clear 4K. InTech is small, portable, and super easy to set up. It's a fully modular system, stacks seamlessly and connects wirelessly, which means you can break it down in seconds and set it up just as fast. Use your phone or the included remote to browse your settings and apps, or connect a device via HDMI. The omnidirectional speakers provide stunning sound all around, no matter where you place it. And 3D projection gives you a unique portable 4K experience. Best of all, InTech's stand allows you to swivel it seamlessly in 360 degrees and stand it upright so you can watch your favorite shows on the ceiling. No more craning your neck in bed. Watch your shows fully relaxed. or enjoy a beautiful night under the stars. Whatever you do, wherever you are, whenever the time, you'll have crystal clear entertainment right beside you. InTech. 4K just got portable.
Hello Kickstarter, I'm Justin, and for the past year, our team has been working on creating the best fidget toy in the world. This is Fidget Power, the world's only fidgeting device that charges your electronics. With Fidget Power, you get 10 awesome buttons and switches, plus powerful internal battery storage that can charge up your smartphone, give your tablet hours of extra use, or supply power to nearly any USB chargeable device. For the first time ever, you can simultaneously charge your favorite device as you click, twist, slide, roll, and mash, all in one ultra-portable package. And let's not forget about the optional magnet. It makes everything so much more fun. Backers get to choose from a bunch of sweet color options, and can go with either a non-magnetic rolly ball or select the magnetic version at no additional cost. But honestly, that's just half the story. We engineered Fidget Power from the ground up to be the smartest fidgeting device out there. We turned to ergonomists, psychologists, product designers, and even shapes used in anti-anxiety exercises for inspiration with the design. And after several months of prototyping, we have created a shape that rests effortlessly in your hand, providing a calming feeling that reduces anxiety while also improving your focus. And let's not forget about the built-in gadgets. There's 10 of them, each one meticulously placed to further develop your coordination and reaction skills. And now, there's really only one thing missing: you guys. We need to get enough pledges for our first big mass production run. We have built great relationships with our manufacturers that can't wait to start producing for us. We're giving our backers awesome perks, like huge discounts and even a surprise gift, just for supporting us early on. And of course, our backers here will get Fidget Power way before anyone else. So remember, fidget better, fidget smarter with Fidget Power.
The lightest, most powerful car jump starter that can start any 12-volt car up to 40 times. It can also jump start this and this. And did we mention these? While it's slim and lightweight enough to come along for the ride, don't let its size fool you. This is not your regular car jump starter. It's your all-weather companion, a helping hand when you need it most, and a portable battery that can charge all your devices at once at up to 4 times the speed. It'll even work if your car battery is totally flat. And don't worry about getting out of your car to get it going. It can charge from the cigarette lighter output instead, so it's always convenient wherever you are. Its unique smart cable makes it easier to use than the competition too, self-diagnosing the battery status and walking you through the process step by step to get your car up and running quickly. You know, that save the day kind of stuff. There's even a torch for emergencies. Every kind of emergency. Once you're home, plug the G2000 in and it's good to go again in 4 hours. One charge will last up to 3 months, so it's ready to help out whenever you need it. Such attention to detail comes down to Gulu's experience in the industry. We sold one of our jump starters every second on Black Friday. You can check out our Amazon reviews to see why. We list